How to transfer Lazada Wallet balance to GCash. If you want to transfer your Lazada Wallet balance to GCash, what you have to do is, first of all, go ahead and then make sure to launch the Lazada application. Tap the account icon located at the bottom right corner, and here under My Lazada Wallet, simply select the available balance that you have. If you have got some amount of balance, you'll find the withdraw option over there. And when you tap on the withdraw button, you will be asked to choose a payment method where you can simply use GCash as a payment method. And once you enter GCash over there, you will then be able to go ahead and then transfer your Lazada wallet balance to GCash. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.